Next posture that we can look at is the shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. Keeping the feet together, you lift your legs up, hips up, and support your back. Now, many times, if you're just new to yoga, or you've been practicing yoga for some time, but there is some situation with the body where you cannot lift your legs up this way, let us see how you bring the legs up and still get the benefits. You come down, you lift your legs halfway up, you don't lift your hips up. You hold your thighs and stay there. Here again, you get the effect of the reverse flow of blood and the effect of gravity of draining the legs of the blood towards the heart. Now, if you can come up in the shoulder stand, you keep your hands on the floor, lift your hips up and thighs up. It's possible that you may not be able to come up really high. Even if the shoulder stand looks approximately this way, you are still getting the benefit of the shoulder stand. You do this according to your capacity. Maybe you can come up a little higher, and maybe you can also come up really straight. So between the three positions that we have seen, all the three are perfectly all right. If you cannot come up high, do not struggle, just do what you can do. And that's all that is required of the shoulder stand. Now to come out of the pose, you lean the legs behind your head. Keep your arms on the mat and then slowly, one vertebra at a time, you roll down. You can also bend your knees so that you don't strain your back, and then you bring your legs all the way down.